name's Melissa.
I love apps. Texas. Hello, this is crazy. Grazing. Hey guys, it's Deepica, and I have a very special guest.
Me!
Yes, Melissa is here, and I'm very excited. So today we are doing a collab video on both of our channels in partnership with Neutrogena. Are you about to sneeze? Get out. I want to just film here every day, and if you didn't live so far from me, I would.
Oh, it's not far, okay? It's not far.
I drove here, by the way. I'm really proud of myself. A few hours ago, we filmed a Q&A on Melissa's channel. You guys have to go check it out. Of course, the link is down below. But now, you guys, we're gonna do the Whisper Challenge.
I'm so excited for the Whisper Challenge. I've been waiting to do this with someone.
And I feel like we're like good challenge partners. Oh my god, remember the noodles one?
The noodle challenge? If you guys haven't seen the noodle challenge, we'll link it in here.
We'll link it here too, yeah. I feel good about this. My voice needs some resting. You guys know I'm having some issues, so now I get to whisper, not talk as loud. But I'm really excited because we have some like funny things written for each other to say. Did you just itch your mustache area?
No, I'm just making sure I don't have stuff in my teeth.
She has a checklist, by the way, you guys.
Is there something in your teeth?
So smart, because how many times have I had my mic off and had some lipstick on my teeth? Always, but I never check any of that stuff. Okay, so as we do the Whisper Challenge, we are going to be masking, but since we already did the deep cleaning one, which one are you gonna do now?
Well, okay, so it's a deep cleaning, Hydra Boost, and Radiance Boost.
Yep.
And I always do Hydra Boost. I just love the hyaluronic in it.
Yeah.
So I feel like I have to. I always do this one.
Normally I would do Hydra Boost too, but because I just feel like my skin feels so dull these days. Like, I don't know, it's just like I want some glow. I'm gonna do the Radiance one today, but it has vitamin B3 in it, so it really helps give you that radiant glow. But to me, that's my favorite go-to one of all of them.
Hyaluronic.
Yeah.
I just feel like you can never get enough hydration, you know?
Totally. I have dry skin and it's a winter.
Yeah, like this one I can throw on at the end of the day every day, and then the other ones kind of use them like every other day.
Same.
So,
this is like a go-to daily one, yeah. All right, so first we're gonna open up the mask. We gave these tips in the other video, but we're gonna do it again just in case you didn't see that one just yet, which you obviously will after this. It's really, really juicy. Is that a weird word?
Super juicy. No, they're really juicy. There's like an entire bottle of serum, like an equivalent of an entire bottle of serum in the packet.
Yeah, make sure any of the leftover serum, you can like use it all over you. Like Meeka just gets so jealous when I come over.
She loves it. Hey, say hi to the camera. Say hi, I am beautiful and I want that Hydra Boost mask.
Meeka should do the Whisper Challenge. Basically, one of the tips to keep the mask on you while you're like talking, it really does a good job of like sitting there and kind of like sculpting to your face otherwise, but since we're gonna be talking, it's gonna be moving around, is to put a headband on so it really stays in place in case you're like multitasking while masking.
Tasking and masking.
You can thank me later,
masking
Neutrogena.
And tasking. I really wish I could just relax and mask. I'm always doing other things.
I know, it's tough. We have to make sure that when we're putting it on, that we're using the side that actually has the white cover over it on our face directly. Like that's the part that should go directly on your face.
So.
Because the texture is different on both sides.
I always apply the bottom first. I just feel like it holds the mask up when you hook the top one over the bottom one.
You feel the serum everywhere. It's so good.
It's so satisfying when it goes on your skin because the texture of it is just so cooling.
All three of them, not just the hydrating, all of them feel really cooling.
That same texture.
There's like a very specific fragrance to it that I just like love. It feels really
This just, you know what it is? Smells trigger memories the best out of anything. Did you know that?
Why do you know so much?
It's because of Kyle, my boyfriend.
It is her boyfriend.
He's like
which is also me right now. I'm wearing his robe, guys.
Yeah.
I'm literally the new Kyle. Hi.
This mask actually reminds me of being on set with you.
Really?
For our Neutrogena shoot.
Oh, you're right. You're so right. I smell it and I'm like,
oh, it reminds me of Deeps.
Oh my god, yeah, that was like
I chose to wear this one for like the whole thing because I was obsessed.
I didn't know that was technically what happened, but it does remind me of you too. Can we be Melissa-ka?
Melissa-ka? Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna put this on.
Give me my little chin flap.
I'm so pumped though, my skin needs some radiance. Okay, so you guys, we're gonna actually put on the timer. We both were talking about how we actually mask for so much longer than the 15 to 20 minutes that you're supposed to. Always. Especially these that are so juicy. I like to keep them on until the juice is like fully seeped into your skin. I'm going to put on the timer for 15 minutes. I'm gonna take, like we said, the leftover amount. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you see that? No! I'm taking it.
Yeah, take it. Don't waste it.
Putting it on my neck.
Melissa
taught me upward always.
You know, it's funny, my subscribers actually taught me that because sometimes I would aggressively put skincare on and they'd be like, upwards motion, you're causing wrinkles.
This Neutrogena one, another reason it's so great is that it's affordable, right? Like it's not like a crazy expensive mask. Do I look crazy?
It's like all the way down, it makes me laugh.
Oh, because I'm really trying to keep it
on.
This flap is really funny right now. I'm just gonna leave it, it's funny.
I'm ready.
Now you sound as loud as me.
No, I'm really ready though. I love Neutrogena Masks. That's really long. Why is it so long? I love Neutrogena Masks. I love Neutrogena Masks and Kyle.
We're moving on. We're moving on. My name is Deepica.
Ooh, okay. Masking. Meeka is the best.
My skin is what? My skin is radiant. Masking and wine it is my ideal night. That is actually true.
I love Melissa. Hi, my name's Melissa.
I'm doing sign language here, not fair. I'm totally like telling her by action. She's staring at me so hard.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I love skincare.
Close.
Matcha. Meeka.
What? I love Axe. Texas. Hello, this is crazy. Grazing. I feel like mine are harder. What the hell?
I only eat French fries on Sunday.
Close. Fridays, but close. Oh my god, good job.
I'm gonna pee my pants.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Oh, that's hard.
That is hard. This is so fun. This is so...
I only like matcha smoothies.
Boom.
Just keep swimming. You kind of cheated on that one.
I did. I feel bad. I like to help.
I wanna dance with somebody.
Something nostrils? Chicken noodles? Chicken soup. Chicken nostrils.
Chicken nostrils.
I deserve a redemption, but we're gonna take this off and do it.
Every time I take these masks off, by the way, the skin just like speaks for itself.
Oh.
Right?
See, this is why the radiance and hydrating are my jam. Like, the detox one is just a different benefit.
Too. Dewy, fresh, clean.
Your skin always has that like dewiness, but I feel like when I take one of these masks off, it's like you just feel it.
I love the feeling too when, you know when you're just completely done with your skincare and your skin feels like
so like plump.
Yeah,
that's the word.
Looks so good.
Okay, wait, can we finish? Like a 2 more?
2 more?
Yeah.
Okay.
Truffles are my everything.
Oh!
Drama. Draw me. Like wine. 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 Why? Draw me like one of your crushes. Draw me like one of your friends.
Ah, you were so close.
I'm done. That was amazing. We semi-nailed it.
I think it was like a tie. I honestly think
it's like a tie. Yeah, whatever. We're winning because our skin looks good, right?
Yeah.
Don't forget to watch Melissa's video collab. Again, it's gonna be linked down below. Obviously, subscribe to her channel. Half the things I've learned from my skincare has come from her. So like, she has all the.
I try.
She's really good at it.
I feel like next time we should do one of the like we followed a so-and-so's makeup tutorial.
Yes.
We should do that together.
Funny. Tell us whose makeup tutorial you want us to do down below, and subscribe to both of our channels. Give us all the love. Like, comment.
Check out the mask with us.
Let us know if you tried these masks. I've included one of them in my February faves because they're like my jam. Thanks for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. That was fun.
Can we go
I don't want you to leave. I don't want to stop filming because that means she's gonna leave.
Well, I don't want to drive because I'm scared of the lives of people in the Los Angeles highways. Like, it's scary.
Driving in LA in general is really scary.
Can we go hang out with Meeka for a bit before I leave?
We will.
Okay. Bye guys. See you next
time.
Bye.